Tankless water heaters are more efficient than traditional water heaters. They use a lot less energy and produce less heat, which means they save you money on your electric bill in Syracuse, New York. But what exactly is a tankless water heater? A tankless water heater is a water heating device that heats up the water as it is being used. This means that there is no need to preheat the water before you use it. So instead of waiting for your water to come to a boil, you can turn on your faucet and get hot water instantly. Tankless water heaters have a few disadvantages as well. They are more expensive than traditional water heaters. You will also need to purchase a tankless water heater control system. This will help you regulate the temperature of the water so it is always at the right level. The controls are easy to use, but they do cost money. Another disadvantage is that tankless water heaters are more difficult to install. Most of them require a plumber or a professional installer. Installing one yourself is not recommended unless you know how to do it. Tankless water heater installation in Syracuse, New York is relatively simple. The hardest part is installing the water line. You will need to run the pipe through your existing plumbing. If you don't already have a water line installed, you will need to find a plumber to install one for you. Once you have installed the line, you will need to connect the water heater to the line. If you want to install your own tankless water heater, you should first check with your local building department to see if you need a permit. Then you can contact a plumber to help you install it. If you plan to install it yourself, you will need to purchase a manual tankless water heater installation kit. This kit will include all of the necessary tools and instructions for installing your water heater in Syracuse, New York.